Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix voice note on GB WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check to see if your app needs an update or not. So simply just go to the App Store. On the search bar simply type in GB WhatsApp and now check to see if that app needs an update. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply update it to the latest version. Now if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is open up your settings app and then scroll down, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and then tap on GB WhatsApp. So once you're inside, you'll have two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app. Tap on offload app to begin the process, and what this does is it clears any bugs or caches that is present in the app which might be causing you to face problem that you are having. So simply just do that, and once the process is complete, instead of this offload app you will have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on reinstall app, and once that process is complete, go ahead and try again, and that should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.